Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how I can fix your SteelSeries Arctis 7 won't turn on. So basically this will be a quick fix and it's going to fix your issues. So basically what you need to do is take your headphones like this and just go to the left side. So this will be this side, and if you just pull this cushion off, you will see the reset button. So right now I have Arctis 5 and I'm going to show you where you find the reset button. So it will be somewhere right here. As you can see, you'll find this on the right or left side, but it will be on the left side, and you'll find a factory reset hole. So with the pin, you just click this button and it will reset your Arctis 7. So that's pretty much it. That's how you fix your issue. And to put this cushion back on, just find this little edge and just like that, push it like this. And now just, as you can see, turn around and you'll be good to go. So that's how you fix Arctis 7 won't turn on issue. See you in the next one.